Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Florencia. In case you are here for the very first time, which is highly likely, I want to show you what to do when you are following an animal-based or carnivore diet. Yes, a year ago I turned carnivore and I changed my life. But the reason that we are here today is one recipe that is animal-based called Marry Me Chicken. It's delicious, it's super fast, super quick to make, and it gives you a little bit of a variety from beef. Personally, I eat beef because it's more nutritionally dense. It has everything you need just to thrive in life. But who doesn't like variety? So I'm gonna go straight to my stove. So you're not gonna be seeing my face because I don't have a good angle to cook in, but it doesn't matter. What you are gonna need is chicken thighs or chicken breast. In my case, I have chicken thighs, a little bit of heavy cream, and Parmesan Reggiano. I put on my frying pan a small, like a teaspoon of butter and a little bit of olive oil because that keeps the butter from burning. So let's go. Before I forget, onion powder, garlic powder, and if you want, a little bit of oregano. Let's do it! Of course, as I started recording, my mic died, so I'm gonna add the voice off. As I showed you, here I have my pan with the butter and the oil, and what I'm gonna do is I am going to brown my chicken, because when you brown your chicken has flavor. That is the purpose of this process. Just give the chicken nice flavor. We're gonna add a little tiny bit of salt because the Parmesan is quite salty. We don't want to overwhelm the recipe. You can always add more salt if you need at the end. Don't make the mistake of salting it too much. Add the spices as much as you like. Once the chicken is brown, it doesn't need to be cooked all the way because it's gonna get cooked now that you are going to add heavy cream. The amount of heavy cream will be the same amount than the Parmesan. So if you use half a cup of cream, you are gonna use half a cup of parm. The parm is going to make the cream thick, and what you are gonna do is just to make sure that reduces. You can see here I'm gonna flip my chicken because you want all the parm mixed with the cream. Now just let it reduce, and that is all you have to do. It's absolutely delicious. You can serve it with a little bit of chives or maybe parsley for color, and why not for taste. The way I prefer it is with the kimchi because that acidity with the sweetness of the cream makes it the perfect recipe. I really hope that you give it a try. If you like the video, give me a like and perhaps do the honor of subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.